Hi everybody, we're here on location with another happy customer where the work was done. Basically, we did this porch, this landing here, and also built this pillar to support the roof. And so we're here to interview Chris, another happy customer from A&A. So let's see what he has to say.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe.
Main concerns was the beam here was sagging because the previous post was not properly sit into the ground. It was sinking. So there was like at least maybe 4 or 5 inches out. I'm not sure how much it was, but it was sagging, and I was afraid that if this was removed, my roof would collapse. So basically, when Hayden and his crew came over, they said, "Yeah, you will shore it up," and basically put a footing down. And I'll tell you, they put a footing down all right. It was like 5 feet deep. It was below the frost line, so that's good. And basically, I was happy with that. So when he put this post in, everything is solid now. This is not going to go anywhere. It's like a bunker, really, truly. It's like thick concrete. I had an A&A crew come here maybe 2021. It was a 2-man crew. They did some back of the house, a lot of bit of some masonry work. He put in some sills, and it was hot, and they busted their asses that day. They really sweat bullets getting it done, and it's all perfect. So that was one of the reasons. That was one of the main reasons. Like I say, my father was an electrician, and his friends were masonry and carpenters, and I sort of like have a little bit of a know-how of what needs to be done, and I've watched them work. And when you watch people work and you see how they're doing things, you don't need a question. You just take notes. So that's basically it. Matter of fact, his name was Hayden, so he came out a half a dozen times with different colors of stone, and I wasn't happy with that color, and he told me what stone you can go to see at certain places, and he come back with another couple of stones, and it was seamless in respect to like there was no headaches involved. It was constant communication. The crew that was out here, they're all from, I think, El Salvador, I think. So those guys were pretty funny because they know what they were doing. They had a good time working, and they worked professionally. So I came out and I used to say, "Wow, what are you doing?" And they were cheerful, and they explained everything what they were doing. They had no problem telling me like, this is what needed to be done. We're going to do this. We're going to jack up your roof and level it out, and they even took a picture of the level on it. So yeah, everything's good. So I've had numerous people. Matter of fact, I've had somebody, I was out here and seed my garden, and somebody stopped their vehicle and asked me who did that. So I mean, because it's nobody else has this type of thing on the street, right? So maybe it's going to be a lot of that on the street now. I don't know. It's a different type of design, like a facade, I guess, or for lack of a better word. So yeah.
And there you have it, another extremely happy customer who started with A&A Masonry on a smaller job in the back of the home, and whom continues to use A&A Masonry with confidence to solve problems on the exterior of the house. All too common with newer builds these days, where homes go up quickly to meet demands, corners can be cut, and work not always done up to code. A&A sees these problems every day and specializes in diagnosing and getting to the root of the problem and doing perfect work that will stand the test of time and last for many years to come. To keep you updated on more videos from our education library, hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay on top of the cutting edge of home transformation with A&A Masonry.